Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and we have another update for our Dishan babies. So, first off, June 2026 has been an absolutely gold mine of updates for both of these massive stars. From breathtaking high fashion shoots to heartwarming supportive visits on active drama sets, the Tao Wu and Wonder Together universes are colliding in the best ways possible. Today, we are breaking down everything you need to see, including Shen Yu's jaw-dropping new look for Vogue and the special visitors treating Dylan Wang on the set of his highly anticipated new historical epic. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we have a lot to unpack. Let's kick things off with the goddess herself, Shen Yu. So, on June 18, which is today, Vogue Fashion and Beauty dropped a brand new Weibo update that completely set the internet on fire. The photoshoot features the youth group of Tao Wu tackling a fascinating conceptual theme called Two Sides. The concept is simple yet brilliant. One side is pure, intense aura, while the other side is a sweet, radiant smile. Shen Yu, alongside her co-stars Xu Rowan, Chen Hai, and He Junlin, perfectly captured this duality. When you look at the image, you see the serious, high fashion aura side. Shen Yu is wearing a sleek, elegant black mini dress with structured shoulders, exuding an incredibly mature and sophisticated vibe. She looks fierce, confident, and completely in control. But then, look at the contrast. In this image, the exact same lineup breaks out into pure joy. Shen Yu's signature sweet smile lights up the entire frame as she interacts dynamically with the group. It really shows the expansiveness and brightness of the new vitality that these young stars bring to the Tao Wu family. Fans have been raving about how much Shen Yu's modeling style has evolved. She can switch from a playful girl next door look to a high-end editorial model seamlessly. But the photo shoot did not just stop with the youth line. Vogue captured the ultimate family portrait of the Wonderland, or Tao Wu crew. As the official fan accounts shared, 16 distinct souls gathered together under one roof. And the camera caught those genuine, natural emotions and the deep, tacit understanding that has grown between them over the seasons. Looking at the spectacular layout, the set design mimics traditional architectural elements mixed with a modern, high-fashion aesthetic. You have the entire cast spread across the white structures, flanked by stunning pink, peach blossom flowers at the top. Shen Yu is seen elegantly posing on the lower left alongside her castmates, adding a grounded yet glamorous touch to the composition. To make things even better for the fans, Vogue also dropped interactive video content. The youth group participated in a lively Vogue spelling challenge where they literally had to emerge from behind the scenes set pieces, testing just how well they communicate with each other. It is incredibly refreshing to see variety show cast members getting this level of high fashion treatment, proving that Tao Wu is not just a show, it is a cultural phenomenon. Now, while Shen Yu has been busy turning heads in the fashion world, what has her iconic former co-star Dylan Wang been up to? Well, he is currently buried deep in filming one of them most highly anticipated historical dramas of the year. Empress Reborn, also known as the rebirth of the malicious empress of military lineage. On June 17, massive updates leaked from the set showing Dylan looking absolutely majestic in his warrior armor, sporting a high ponytail and intricate gold-trimmed chest plates. He looks every bit the powerful, fierce general he is portraying. But what really caught eyes of the fandom was that incredible support he is receiving from his real-life industry friends. Yu Yang from the variety show Wonder Together made a personal trip to Hengdian to visit Dylan on set. And he did not come empty-handed. Yu Yang brought a massive milk tea support truck to treat the entire production crew. As you can see, there is a beautifully handwritten sign thanking the crew, decorated with colorful chalk drawings of fireworks and planets, inviting everyone to enjoy a refreshing drink. This comes right on the heels of other Wonderland veterans like Chuan Jun, Dong Shuan, and Tu Yiwei, who also visited Dylan on set just a week before. Dylan is clearly the beloved little brother of the variety show world, and these cross-show friendships are melting fans' hearts. It is absolutely wild to see how much Shen Yu and Dylan Wang have grown since their rookie days. Seeing Shen dominate high fashion concepts with Vogue, while Dylan secures massive blockbuster historical IPs while being showered with love by his variety show family, proves that both of them are operating at the absolute peak of their careers right now. So what do you think of Shen Yu's dual concept Vogue shoot? And how incredible does Dylan Wang look in his new armor for Empress Reborn? So that's it. Bye!